Welcome to Gut Reset, Chapter 5. This is seasonal eating. Align your diet with nature. One of the most distinctive ideas in Ayurveda is that food should change with the seasons. And many modern diets assume that the same food should be eaten throughout the year. However, traditional Ayurvedic teachings observe that the body's digestion, appetite, and metabolic needs shift as the environment changes, as the temperature changes, as the humidity changes, as the daylight, nightlife, and seasons. So, how does the body functions? You have to adjust accordingly to maintain the digestive balance and energy throughout the year. This seasonal approach is known as Ritucharya, the practice of adapting the lifestyle with diet to seasonal cycles. Ritucharya. Why seasons they influence digestion? According to Ayurveda, observation remains digestion does not remain constant throughout the year. Environmental factors they affect both appetite and digestive strength. For example, the cold stimulant appetite and digestion is good. In the cold, it is good. In hot, weaker weather, it weakens the appetite and may reduce the digestive capacity. Rainy or humid periods can create digestive instability and bloating. These patterns they affect how the body attempts to adapt to external conditions rather than resisting to these changes. Ayurveda recommends adjusting to diets to support the body's seasonal needs. So, spring, it is clearing heaviness and congestion. During spring, the body may experience a feeling of heaviness or sluggishness after the winter. And seasonal changes can sometimes increase congestion, the allergies, or lethargy. For this reason, the Ayurveda, this guidance often favors lighter foods during the season. Helpful food choices can be the barley or millet grains, green gram, the moong dal in Indian scenario, the lightly cooked vegetables. All of these are the light examples. Mild spices such as ginger, cumin, or black pepper are good. Food often reduce are your excessive dairy, heavy fried foods, a large amount of sweets. Meals during spring are often designed to reduce heaviness and support digestive activities. The summer basically it is cooling and hydrating the body, and during very warm weather digestion becomes naturally weak as I told you, and the body focuses on regulating the temperature and hydration. So in this season the lighter and more cooling foods are often easier to digest, and helpful food choices are rice and light grains, cucumbers, gourds, and leafy vegetables. Fruits such as pomegranate or watermelon in moderation are good. Coconut water or herbal infusions are also recommended. Food often to be limited are extremely spicy food, excessive fried food, very salty and fermented foods. The emphasis is on hydration, cooling foods, and gentle digestion. For the monsoon or rainy season, you have to support the digestive stability in humid and rainy condition, and this may weaken the digestion. For some people, like bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort, may become a common problem during this period. Ayurveda therefore recommends warm, freshly prepared foods during rainy season. Helpful food choices, soup or stews are good. The lightly spiced lentils, very good. The warm grains such as rice, good. Small amounts of ghee to support the digestion is also recommended. Food often reduced, like the few salads, have to be reduced in large quantities. Cold drinks have to be reduced. Stale or leftover foods are to be avoided. The warm cooked meals help maintain digestive stability when environmental conditions challenge digestion. Autumn cooling and calming heat after the rainy season is important. Some individuals may experience heat related symptoms such as acidity, skin irritation, or irritability. Foods that gently cool or soothe digestion may help restore balance. Helpful food choices like pumpkin, bottle gourd, and leafy vegetables is good. Rice and lighter grains, good. Pomegranate or apple, good. Mild spices such as coriander and fennel, good. Meals during this season aim to reduce internal heat and support gentle digestion. Now, coming to winter. Winter needs nourishment and stronger appetite, and the cold seasons often stimulate stronger appetite and digestion. And many people naturally crave for nourishing foods during this time. Ayurveda recognizes that the body may tolerate slightly heavier meals during winter, so helpful food choices can be whole grains such as wheat or rice, soup and stews, nuts and seeds in moderate amount. The warming spices such as ginger and cinnamon is good. Food often to be limited are cold drinks and refrigerated food. Excessive dry or raw foods are to be avoided. The winter meals can be more nourishing as long as digestion remains comfortable. Listening to seasonal signals is important. Seasonal eating does not require strict rules. Instead, it encourages awareness of how your body responds to environmental changes. So, some very simple ways to observe seasonal needs include noticing your appetite, noticing the change in weather impacting your appetite. So, choosing foods that feel comfortable to digest is a good idea. Favoring seasonal fruits and vegetables is good. And adjusting cooking methods, lighter in summer, warmer in winter, is the way. These small adjustments allow the body to remain aligned with natural cycles. So, seasonal awareness supports long term balance. So, seasonal awareness supports the long term balance. Over time, many people find this seasonal eating naturally stabilizing the digestion. When meals align with the environmental conditions, the body spends less energy compensating for stress. This approach encourages variety in food choices throughout the year. Instead of following rigid diet plans, you can do this create seasonal awareness as it helps to create a sustainable way of eating. So this was the end of the chapter 5, and this whole gut reset course is for you to understand, be aware and implement the new practices, the new change, the new dietary eating change in your platter, in your habit.